Rother Valley Country Park used to be the site of meadows and marshland and was known as the wetlands before it was the site of open cast mining. One open cast mine was home to a lumberyard which apparently was always catching fire. Paradoxically, this area was also reportedly known for flooding. This area included Bedgrieve Mill, and a Second World War bomb was discovered here during digging. The other site was once Brookhouse Colliery. This colliery opened in 1929 and linked to its neighbouring collieries and was owned by Sheffield Coal Company. There was an accident in 1958 where around 40 miners were reported injured when a cage crashed owing to an electrical fault. The colliery closed in 1985. Open cast mining was already taking place in the area to make way for the country park from 1976 to make way for landscaping. The excavation sites became the artificial lakes. The water for these came from the Moss, a brook in north-east Derbyshire, as water from the River Rother was too polluted. The Moss gets its name from Moss Beck, meaning stream through marshy ground. Rother Valley Country Park was opened on the 27th of May 1983 for £4 million, just over 11 million in today's money. Nowadays it covers 750 acres of land and is home to a visitor centre, a miniature railway, a cafe and Sheffield Cable Water Ski and Aqua Park.